Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is a quick and short one. I just wanted to follow up with you. For those of you that watched my unboxing of my Chanel 19, which was very disappointing for me, and I'll link it up here if you have not watched it. I did want to go ahead and do the follow-up and let you know that I did receive the box, and I'm going to show you how it was wrapped and packed. I haven't even opened it, and I've had it for weeks and weeks because I know it's just a box. But I am going to show you how they sent it to me, and also just wanted to show you that the Chanel 19 is still sitting up here. Let me just quickly show you. So there is the Chanel 19 all packaged up. I've yet to use her. I don't know that I'm going to use her. I think I may sell her. I have such a bad taste in my mouth. All right, I figured I'd just move the camera and just show you. This is how the box came. It does have Chanel paper, tissue paper right here. And next, here it is. It's actually beautifully, beautifully packaged. It is all wrapped in plastic, which is nice in case it gets wet. There is more tissue at the bottom. And let me move this box out of the way. Let us just go ahead and open this up. I honestly don't even know if I want to open it up. It's really, really pretty packaging. And obviously there's nothing inside the box. So here you go. I did receive the black box with the beautiful wrapping, which they did not have when they shipped the black Chanel 19 to me. So I'm happy that at least my essay did follow up with that. It doesn't take away the bad taste in my mouth from having received something that was not what I thought it was. But in any event, I did receive the box. I wanted to follow up with you. So if you purchased something and the store did not have the black Chanel box, they are receiving them and you should be able to get your box. That's it. Quick video. Just wanted to let you know that I got the box, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.